Hello students, today we are going to do page number 54 and 55 from your GK book. So, the page number 54 is medical discoveries. So, here you will read about some scientists and their record breaking discoveries in the field of medicine. So, first is Alexander Fleming, a Scottish scientist. He discovered penicillin. It is the first antibacterial drug to combat a wide range of bacterial infections in the year 1928. One day he observed a mold fungus growing in a bowl containing bacteria. He also found that the growth of the bacteria had been impeded in the vicinity of the fungus. He concluded by saying that the mold released a substance that affected the growth of bacteria and named it penicillin. Next, we have Edward Jenner. He was the pioneer of the smallpox vaccine and coined the term vaccine in year 1796. He injected 8-year-old James Phillips with pus from a cowpox, which made him immune to the smallpox virus. He based his experiment on the assumption that milkmaids who contracted cowpox, a mild disease, were immune to smallpox. His idea faced resistance and he was asked to give more proof. He experimented on several children, including his 11-month-old son, and his work was finally published in the year 1798. Next is Louis Pasteur. He was a French scientist who developed the vaccines for fatal diseases, namely anthrax and rabies. He claimed that he had immunized 31 animals against the bacteria causing anthrax, which was discovered by Robert Koch. Also, the man-made vaccine for rabies was trialed on a human, a boy called Joseph Meister, for the first time by Louis Pasteur. Next, we'll discuss about Frederick Banting and John MacLeod. They were awarded the Nobel Prize for their discoveries of insulin, a hormone produced to maintain blood glucose level. They isolated insulin from the pancreas of a dog and gave it to another dog suffering from diabetes. The diabetic dog survived as long as he was injected with insulin. After their discovery, a purified form of insulin was developed, which had been isolated from cattle. In 1922, Leonard Thompson, a 14-year-old boy, was the first to receive the insulin injection. Next is Max Theiler. He discovered the vaccine for yellow fever, a disease that claimed several lives in tropical areas caused by a virus. This disease is spread by insects and infected people. He successfully transferred the virus to mice and obtained a weakened form to immunize apes. In 1937, he succeeded in isolating the weaker variant of the virus, which later became a human vaccine against yellow fever. Next is James Ferran, a Spanish physician. He was the first to develop the cholera vaccine around 1885. His vaccine was able to immunize humans against this bacteria, and he vaccinated around 50,000 people in Valencia during the cholera epidemic. Now, children, Let us solve some quiz. Tu Youyou received the Nobel Prize for her research leading to the finding of the most effective drug for which disease? It was malaria. John Salk developed the first safe and effective polio vaccine. Next, Spanish flu, which occurred in 1918, is referred to as the deadliest epidemic in human history. British physician Edward Jenner was the first to discover vaccination in its modern form in the year 1796.